back to the 10 o'clock train show in 2021.
Well, hello everybody. Thank you for joining us for another update on MarkTwainZephyr.com, also our Facebook and Twitter pages at Mark Twain Zephyr. It is Sunday, April the 18th, 2021. I'm Robert Tamer, Director of Passenger Development for the Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad. And well, we are here in Green Bay at the KI Convention Center, where the Wisconsin Great Northern has a booth along with many other vendors. This is one of our first outreach events and one of our first promotional events that we've had since the start of the COVID-19 outbreak. So we are really excited to be back and doing some of our outreach events and promoting the Wisconsin Great Northern and the Mark Twain Zephyr. So we did the train show here yesterday from 9 a.m. to 5 in the afternoon, and we were here once again today, Sunday. Fortunately, we're here in our last hour of the show. We'll wrap up here at 4 o'clock, and it's just after 3 o'clock right now. So we are live from the floor of the convention center. As you can see, there's a lot of cool model railroads and things like that around. Let me flip the camera around, and we'll show you a little bit about what's going on at the Wisconsin Great Northern booth. All right, well, there's our wonderful backdrop here at Green Bay, and here's our booth. We're all kind of set up here, and we have Robert, Neil, and Kathy Brecker. They're here from our historical partners who sometimes do programs up at the railroad, the Midwest Rail Rangers organization, and they're helping out. Look at, we got our light up Zephyr. So how's it going, Robert?
Great. Well, I'm telling you, the enthusiasm here is amazing. The excitement about the Mark Twain Zephyr is overwhelming. People are so thrilled that this is coming back to life. They cannot wait to ride this thing. And I told them, keep checking that website because it's going to be going, and it's going to be going sooner than they can imagine.
Yeah.
So we're excited about it here too. We can't talk enough about it. I'm one of those guys that I love to see the old stuff coming back. And not only this is old stuff coming back, this is really historic old stuff coming back.
Yeah.
So I'm just really thrilled with the Wisconsin Great Northern for taking the time and money to invest into this, bringing this great train back into operation.
And your wallet is going to go home, I guess, just a tad lighter than when you got here because what did you find?
I bought myself an HO version of the Zephyr.
Is that? Oh, that's not the Mark Twain though.
No, it's I think it's probably the Pioneer.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. But if you're not a connoisseur, you just know it's the Zephyr. That's all you talk about, So I've been excited about having it, put it in my house. And I'll even bring it back to other shows, so we've got it here for other shows.
So that we can see it when we have some of our historical open house weekends and
you got it.
And things like that. That would be very cool.
And I'll be up there. I'll be looking for everybody to come up and ride with us at the Wisconsin Great Northern. Mark Twain Zephyr.
That's awesome. All right. I still like our light up.
I love that.
I love our light up. And then we're selling our, I think we did about 2 weeks ago. We did our special program on the books. And Kathy is reading up on her Zephyr material over here. So what are you learning about the Zephyr?
This is a neat 3-volume series with anything and everything you would like to know about the Mark Twain Zephyr.
Ah.
It is a beautiful car. You can see here the windows are missing.
That was way back just after it first got there. I believe that was 7 months ago.
These are the owners who brought it up to Wisconsin.
Yeah.
It is a neat thing. I mean, I remember seeing it stripped apart like this, and then even all this insulation and stuff had to be taken out. It has been neat to watch this be brought back to life, and we're doing really good with that. I mean, here you can see.
There's our new spring newsletter, yeah.
Yes. Here's how it looked last week.
Yeah.
They had laid down carpet, colorful chairs. It's been quite a renaissance. And people have been asking lots of questions about this. They know about the Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad, but they want to know more about this. They've heard about this, or they've driven by and seen it.
Mm-hmm.
and they want to know when we're going to be open. But these are neat books. I like flipping through them. We're going to bring this back nice and shiny.
Yeah.
And look at this menu. Cup of soup was only 20 cents.
That'd be nice. All right. Well, hey, we found somebody here with the Wisconsin Great Northern hat and a T-shirt, and we didn't give it to him. So we had to highlight you here on MarkTwainZephyr.com. Where did you get your hat and your shirt?
We got it from
Oh, do you?
train
Oh,
ride.
so you were? How long ago did you ride with us?
About 2 years ago.
September of 19.
Okay. Did you have a good time?
Oh, it was wonderful.
Awesome. And what are your names? Where are you from?
We are from New London, Wisconsin.
New London, Wisconsin. Well, you'll have to come back out and check out the deluxe sleeping cars and check out the Mark Twain Zephyr we got here. So I love the hat, love the shirt. Thanks so much for riding with the Wisconsin Great Northern.
No problem.
All right, thank you to Robert and Kathy and yeah, even our very enthusiastic Wisconsin Great Northern fan that we found today here at the show. Very cool. A lot of fun stuff going on here. Wish you had the chance to join us, but maybe we can wrap it up here and show you some of the really cool exhibits here. This is one of my favorite behind me. This is the Legos, a Lego train set. Everything here is built out of Legos, so that's one of my favorite exhibits. Let's wrap up and just show you some of the other exhibits here, and I will see you back at the Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad next Sunday, 25th of April. And thanks so much for joining us. Robert Tabor, Director of Passenger Development here in Green Bay, Wisconsin at the Titletown Train Show. Hope to see you later. Thanks for checking out MarkTwainZephyr.com, also our Facebook page at Mark Twain Zephyr. Thanks so much for joining us for another update on the Mark Twain Zephyr at the Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad. Before you go, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's really easy. Depending on what browser you have, just click on the red subscribe button on the lower right-hand side below the video screen, or perhaps it might be in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This way, you won't miss any of our future updates. For restoration updates throughout the week, head over to MarkTwainZephyr.com and click on the Restoration Updates link. We usually add a few photos during the week. Our next video update will be next Sunday afternoon. And remember, you can stay in touch with us throughout the week 24/7 on social media. We mainly use Facebook at Mark Twain Zephyr. We also occasionally use Twitter at Mark Twain Zephyr as well. Once again, thanks for following us and liking us and supporting the Mark Twain Zephyr restoration effort at the Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad. We'll see you back next Sunday at this time.
Fly